Hey guys, I wanted to start off the channel by showing you a really cool video of this cool 5x5 that I made. This 5x5 is approximately 32 millimeters. Here it is compared to a angstrom long. Almost half the size, slightly larger than half the size of the 3x3. Here's some pictures that I took at the start, midway, and near the end. This was just a progression of the puzzle. Another picture that I took was all the skirts that I removed off of the build plate. So I just had a pile of skirts beside my 3D printer. Another thing was that I couldn't find small screws, so I ended up stickering the screws instead of adding a center cap on all the sides, which is an odd way to sticker a puzzle. Here's my crappy stickering job. It's not the best, but it's not the worst that I could do. As far as I know, this is the smallest 5x5. To show the functionality of this puzzle, I'm going to do the checkerboard pattern, and then I'm going to mix it up and show a time-lapse of me solving it. The layers still do catch a little bit, especially on the outer layers. The inner edge tends to pop out. Once it's moving though, it seems to have no problems besides the occasional catching. There's the checkerboard pattern.
Again, it catches quite a bit. Let's see how many times it pops during the solve. Oh, speck of dust. It's back again, trying to attack me.
Here it is all mixed up, onto the time lapse. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like what you see, please subscribe. Comment down below what you would want me to do next in my later videos. And I'll see you next time.